All right, guys, let's get it. All right, let's see Nas. Wow, this swept already. Look at that. See the sweep right here. US 30 never came all the way down. I'd like to see US 30 come below here. Below this blue box, just shoot down. If it comes below this red line, I'll take an entry. It's going to come back now. Let's see if it breaks structure. If it comes up here somewhere and breaks structure, then we'll just buy it on the pullback. If it pulls back. Check gold. So far, I don't really see anything we could do immediately, you know? Let's see what US 30 does. How you guys been, man? Yesterday, I had a bad morning. I was so sunburned. I just didn't feel good. I didn't come on. I'm all peeling. I look like a reptilian. One of the alien reptilians, man. That's what I look like. That's all right. Monday, we had a good trade. We made over 100 pips, if I remember correctly. Let me check the news. I think it's a big news day. Let's see. Today is 13. Oh, yeah, we had core PPI, month to month. What is this? Oh, Fed chair nomination vote. Let me see. Core PPI we had at 8:30. They were expecting 0.3. They got 1. And then they were expecting 0.5 for PPI month to month, and they got 1.4. So really almost triple what they thought it was going to be. Basically triple what they thought it was going to be. So that's good for currency. So let's see what we get. We need a pullback here, though. Get rid of these extra lines from an old trade. Clean it up a little. Keep it fresh. It's a new day, man. How's everybody? All right? Let me check out Kick. How's my Kick guys, man? What's up, Kick? Well, let's see what happens here. We got a nice W here. Let's see what it does now. It came right to this fair value gap. You know? Let me check oil. I haven't traded oil in a while. Not really there. Not too ready. It's not ready. We're gonna have to wait, see what develops here, guys. But we'll get something. We'll get our win for the day. We always do. $9.09 is still early. Yeah, right now it's just consolidating again, guys. So it's a little slow up here before we get down to I believe like 5 minutes, like 9:25 around that time. We'll start seeing some volume. What I'd like to see is come down here, at least a sweep of this. A sweep of this would be even better. But I'll be looking to enter on a sweep of this on the pre-market low, knowing that it could go down further, which, we always know that. It could always do that, right? So I'll be looking for a buy right around this area. If it goes up, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Right now, we're still below the 200. We're right at it, though. We could start playing on another field here. We go above the 200, I would consider that another playing field. Though it's another new set of rules. can see where it's just been coming to the 200. It went above here for a second, but it just keeps coming to the 200 and rejecting. So let's see what happens. I'm liking gold. I got gold on the big screen. I'm keeping an eye on it for a buy. If I jump over there quick and take a buy, you know why, right? Trades. I have two trades I called in my group. One's doing okay, one's doing bad. We'll see what happens. Hmm. All right, just crossed over the 200. Let me check GBP org. Hold on a sec, guys. Put my left here. I might just take this. I like the way this looks. So I'm already in the trade. This will be a second entry for me, but it's a good entry. I called this on the in the signal group. I called it on the daily though, guys. So it's got a big stop loss and a big TP, but it's in drawdown now. But this would be a nice second entry for me. But it could be a good first entry for you guys if you want. Just take it to like there or something. 1 minute. Let's see if it sweeps. All right, no change. Let's see. Oh, we got almost 5 minutes. 6 minutes. 5.5 minutes to New York Open. think it's going to be a big reaction today because those numbers seem pretty big to me. Although they didn't do much here. Let me see. Not that big of a move. Let me check. What happened at 8:30? Gold spiked down. Interesting. Wow, so did US 30. I guess NAS too, right? Yep. NAS too. I would have thought it would have had the opposite effect, but hey, what do I know? Well, let's see what US 30 does now. Five minutes, guys. 4 minutes. All right, 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes to New York. Okay, big push down, guys. Minute and a half to New York. So far, it hasn't closed below the 200. Tells me it wants to go up. Check NAS real quick. NAS is below the 200. I'm going to start getting some whip here. I'm going to look to take a buy over here somewhere, guys. This is be the best spot right here. You know, if it's not coming all the way. Let's see if we can get down there. Come on, baby. Let's go. Okay, that's the opening bell, so. All right, here it comes. Okay, I'm going to enter on this red line here, guys. That's my plan. Come on, one more. Oh, don't do this, man. Don't do this. It may be coming down further. Let's see what it does here. Okay, I'm in, guys. I am in. In like Flynn, man. I'm long right here. Could come down lower. Let's see. But I'm in profit right now. So the world is beautiful, man. Beautiful world right now. All right. Let's see what happens here. Let's make a plan here. We're going to take some profit. Right there is perfect. It's 58 pips. All right, that purple line, guys. I got to get rid of this line now. It's driving me crazy already. I was trying to get to that pre-market low, I guess. Let's see what happens. No worries. No worries, guys. It's going to sweep that pre-market low, I guess. If it goes lower than that, then if it starts going lower from here, then, you know, it's a bad entry. But I'm just going to hold and take another entry here. I think we're in a good spot. We're right at our entry now. All right, here's a nice push up. Let's see if we can keep going. Come on, baby. You see this when you get this little, that's like an entry signal. I'm not saying it's going to work here or whatever, but just so you know, when you get this little doji and then an engulfing, usually means to enter. A lot of people use that as an entry. I typically don't, but because I'm usually already in by then. But all right, there's the sweep. I might take another entry here. Should I? Didn't get there yet, so. I think it wants to sweep right there. Let's see what it does. See if it sweeps. We got an alert set. Okay, rang the bell, but I didn't press the button. Let's see what it does. It was kind of like just too quick. But that's when it's the best sweep, is when it just shoots down and comes out real quick. That's why I usually try to enter right on the alarm. Because a lot of times when it's looking for the liquidity, it doesn't hang around after it grabs it. It just, boom, gets out of there. Let's see what happens here. Now we're back to our entry, so I guess not the deal. It's not coming back, I guess. We're right at our entry. All right, here we go. Let's see if we can push up. So we missed that trade. This was another nice trade here, guys. From here to here, that would have been considered TP1. All right, you were looking at an extra 40 pips there, man. And we missed that one. It's okay. I missed it. I don't know if you guys did. All right, guys, I'm thinking about taking it. All right, guys, I'm going to take it. I'm in. I got to get rid of that alert now. Oops. I don't know if it's going to come all the way down to here. It could. Let's see what happens here, guys. Damn. Hey, back to our entry for a second. There we go. Here we go, guys. I'm going to close this one full when it gets here. You know that, right? That'll be, I don't know, let's check again. It was 40 the first time I let it go. It's 40 again. 40 pips. If it gets there. Running our entry again. Damn, come on. Let's go. Reject off that fair value gap, and let's head north. All right, back to our entry again. Come on, let's flip this candle. Oh, here we come. Here we come, guys. That fair value gap there is pretty strong, man. It's holding up every time. Come on, push right through there, baby. Here we go. All right, here we go, guys. Come on. Keep going, baby. Okay, I'm getting ready to close, guys. Closing the second entry as soon as the first one goes break even or in profit. Come on. Okay, I'm out. Okay, 40 pips in the bank. Here we go. Mark it out here now because I already got 40. Let's see what that is. That's 36. Oh, we already took profit. So that was our TP1. Well, I always consider that my TP1 now. So I do not want to let this go negative again, guys. Keep that in mind. I'm gonna put a stop loss because we're already won. $4956158. 4956158. Close anytime you want, guys. Should be up close. Well, I'm up over 40 pips now. I'm in the 30s now. Oh, you know what? I think I'm counting the pips wrong because I made my lot size bigger. Sorry, guys. I'm just doing it with my head, you know. And my head's not great. But anyway, I know this is 50 because I measured it. Right here is 50. 50 something. Let's do it again. Yeah, it's 57, 58, something like that. So you should be around 25 now. All right, so I'm just going to stick to the plan. I'm going to take profit here, guys. All right, guys, I'm going to take at least half. All right, I took it. Set your stop loss now, guys. Take profit. Set your stop loss. 4956158. 4956158 is your stop loss. That's a couple of pips in profit for me. Make sure you're in profit with your stop loss. And let's see how high we can go, man. Beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful trade. Good job, man. Good job, guys. Give me a W in the chat if you rocked it out with me today. That was beautiful, man. Beautiful. And I'm up, no, that's like 50 pips. Okay, I know what I'm doing wrong. It's like 50 pips. Now, 50-something pips. I keep forgetting that I raised my my lot size. So I'm thinking of going with the old lot size. I'm adding extra pips. I'm just doing math in my head, you know. I'm looking at what I have in my my live trading account here, you know, how much I have. And I'm dividing that by the lot size and saying that's how many pips were up. But it's not the case because I'm using the wrong lot size in my brain. So I apologize for that, guys. But this was 40 pips. That is 42. See it? And then this was 57. So you can see there, we're at 97 right there. There's 100 right there. So we're at 100 now altogether. Over 100. 112. 115 right there. All right, guys. So look, if you're happy with 100 pips, get out. I might just get out because 100 pips, man, ain't nothing wrong with that. Yeah, if I get you can get 100 pips every day, man. You'll be a millionaire in no time. If you were guaranteed 100 pips every day, forget it, man. Nine out of 10 people today they lost money. So let's see if we can get back up there. Might close right at the 200 is a good place to close too. All right, here we come now, guys. The other day I closed and it went up like crazy. I don't care. You know, you got to have attitude. You make your decision. You stay in, you close, whatever happens, happens. And after that, whatever happens after that is none of your business. None of my business. That's the way I look at it, man. I'm already moved on. All right, that's 100 pips, guys. I'm going to get out, I think. Let's see what it does. See if we can get past the 200. I don't think it doesn't look like it's going to make it. It's kind of like losing steam there, you know? All right, guys, I'm going to close. That's it. That's it, guys. Good trade, though, man. Give me a W in the chat if you took the trade and you won. Great trade today, guys, as always. You know, I have a feel for the market. So look, now it's coming down. I mean, sometimes I just feel like it ain't going to make it. You know, you can see these wicks up here. It tells me we're struggling there. I mean, it could just come down here, close this fair value gap and fly. Who the hell knows? But it could also come down here and go all the way down here. So we'll take 100 pips, man. We'll walk away on top. You know, we're going to go to Roots Crisp now. Get a nice steak, you know, like you're in Vegas, you know. Walk away, man. Walk away a winner. All right, guys. Anyway, man, thank you for stopping by, guys. We won again. Another 100 pips in the books. We're 100 pips closer to that yacht. I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. God bless you guys, man. I appreciate you, man. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day on purpose. Cheers, guys.